Today, to go along with the book The Doghouse by Jan Thomas, we will be making a spring dog. You will need 2 colors of construction paper, scissors, tape, a glue stick, and a pen or marker. Take your 2 different colors of construction paper and cut strips of equal size from each color going lengthwise. You will be taping the strips together to make one really long strip. I ended up with 1 long strip of purple and 1 long strip of teal, but you can choose any color that you would like, as long as they're 2 different colors. Now it is time to connect the 2 strips. Glue 1 strip on top of the other until you have an upside down L. In my case, I glued my teal strip on top of my purple strip. Then I folded over the purple strip and folded over the teal strip over that. You will keep doing this until you have started to make a spring pattern. When you get to the end, you can just glue the last ends down. You'll be left with something that looks like this, which will be the body of your animal. Now you can cut some ears and a head shape from your construction paper. I used a circle shape for the head and oval shapes for the ears. Cut out little paw shapes and a little tail out of the construction paper. Now it's time to draw your face. Draw an eyes, a nose, and a mouth in any way you would like. Now it's time to put your puppy together. Glue the head on one end of the spring with the paws slightly below it. And on the other end of the spring, glue the little tail. Isn't that just the cutest?